Hello, I'm Patrick Jamison, and in this video I'm going to assemble the mainframe. I'm also going to show you where to apply the appropriate sealant at. Now I'm going to unpackage the box that has the mainframe parts and pieces. Here are the pieces and parts all laid out. Inside this box we have our handles, assembly screws, and the other components, our assembly instructions, our mainframe track, header, left and right jambs, and the sill riser adapter. Here is the mainframe track. This part here is your interior side, and where it slopes is the exterior. I'm going to start by attaching the right jamb to the track. First, I'll clean the edges off with denatured alcohol. Then I'll apply my appropriate sealant to the edge of the frame and assemble the right jamb to the track. Make sure you hand tighten your assembly screws to prevent damage to the frame. Once tightened, apply sealant to the heads of the screws as well as the seam of the frame. Now you can follow the same process on the other side when attaching the left jamb to the track. I'm now ready to attach the head to the left jamb. I'm going to follow the same process by cleaning the edges of the frame off, applying my sealant, and using the assembly screws to attach the head to the jamb. Remember, after you hand tighten the assembly screws, apply sealant to the head of the screws and the seam of the frames. Once I'm finished attaching the left jamb to the header, I'm going to follow the same process attaching the right jamb to the header. To recap, I've now assembled the frame and showed you where to apply the appropriate sealant. In the next video, I'm going to install the assembled mainframe in the masonry opening. I'm also going to set the panels.